How to fix YouTube dark theme not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the bottom of your screen. Further, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the general option you see there. Here you will see the option for appearance. Tap on it and then select the dark theme option, and dark theme should appear by now. If not, then you can also simply try to restart the app and see if that helps, as a simple restarting of the app helps in fixing glitches from the app. Next, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube and make sure the YouTube application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the YouTube application on your device. See if that helps, and if not, then open Settings and then tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here navigate to YouTube and then tap on the Offload App option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then go back to settings and then tap on the display and brightness option and select the dark mode option you see there, and by now you should be able to view YouTube in dark mode. So this was about how you can fix YouTube dark theme not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.